Doctors are the true warriors to save people in the world pandemic. They are believed to be as one of God, who cures and heals the problems related to our body. Good morning to everyone present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary presenting today's morning assembly on the very special occasion of National Doctors Day. Dear friends, this day is celebrated in order to thank the doctors and salute them for their contributions towards mankind, and to pay respect to the legendary physician Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, who was also the second Chief Minister of West Bengal. Let us thank to all the doctors who are the front lines fighting COVID-19, and let us pray for all the physicians, nurses and healthcare providers involved in the care. Let us start today's morning assembly with God's prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, the Pledge of Allegiance stands for freedom that our country has fought for. When it comes to being a citizen of this nation, the Pledge of Allegiance reminds us that we should respect our nation and be loyal for that. Let us take an oath and give respect to our nation. For pledge, I would like to invite Harmeet from class 8th. Thank you, Harmeet. Dear friends, Wave 2 COVID-19 has once again reminded us about the contributions and sacrifices made by doctors and the healthcare staff around the globe on a daily basis. Let us honor this noble profession and wish for all the doctors to stay healthy and safe. Let us move to the next part of today's morning assembly, that is Thought of the Day. For this, I would like to call Mahima from class 8th. Good morning to all of you. My name is Mahima. Today's thought is: wear the white coat with dignity and pride. It is an honor and privilege to get to serve the public as a physician. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Mahima, for such a nice thought. National Doctors Day in India commemorates the iconic and internationally renowned medical practitioner Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, who served as a physician, a freedom fighter, an educationist and a politician. We need to know everything about this day, and to know more about National Doctors Day, I would like to invite Sahitya to deliver a speech. Thank you, Sahitya, for this speech. Adding new words means expanding our vocabulary. I would like to invite Shalabh, student of class 7th, to share a new word with us. Good morning to all of you. My name is Shalabh. Word of the day is medico. And the meaning of medico is a student in medical school or a licensed medical practitioner. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Shalabh, for enhancing our knowledge. Despite differences in culture, traditions, religion and languages, India is united under one flag, and our national anthem underlines the importance of India as a diverse nation. Let us honor our nation by singing national anthem. So take position for national anthem and start. After national anthem, dear friends, on National Doctors Day, we thank to dear doctors for their efforts and sacrifices they made to keep us safe, and celebrate the heroes of the world for all their tireless hard work during the coronavirus pandemic. And here we end today's morning assembly. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day ahead.